Artemis Base Camp, NASA's plan for long-term lunar presence. Journey with us as we explore NASA's astounding plan for long-term lunar habitation, the Artemis Base Camp. An ambitious project, the Artemis Base Camp pushes the boundaries of human exploration. It's not science fiction, but science reality. This lunar base will function as a sandbox for Mars, testing technologies and procedures for the ultimate Martian mission. From energy production to resource utilization, the base camp will transform our understanding of space survival and exploration. Tested by the harsh lunar environment, technologies mastered here could revolutionize life back on Earth. With the Artemis Base Camp, we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration. This is not just a new chapter, it's an entirely new book. Join us as we step boldly into the future, with the Artemis Base Camp paving the way.